Now, having looked at the shortest subarray problem adding up to a given sum, let's now look at a related but a slightly different problem. Once again, going to illustrate the whole usage of variable size sliding window. This is going to work on strings. So let's say we have a string with just three characters. These characters are, for example, A, B, and C. What we have to do is to find the shortest substring that has all the three characters. So, for example, look at this. We have string S, which is say A, B, B, C, C. Now, the shortest substring that has all the characters is A, B, B, C, because anything else if you take, it will it will not have one of the three characters, right? Likewise here, the shortest that we have, which has all the characters is C, A, B. We can see this in more, let's say, closely. For example, this string that we just looked at, well, in fact, there are many, many, many substrings which contain all the, let's say, all the characters. This is a typo. Basically, look, A, B, B, C, for example, A, B, B, C, C, A, and so on. So all of these, in fact, contain all the characters. But then we are looking at the shortest substring, and that happens to be cab, which has all the characters, right? So the interesting point is that look, we are looking for at least one occurrence of every character, which means all the characters should be there. But these occurrences need not be in order. So all we are interested in is like, okay, does this exist in this substring or not? And what is the shortest substring that you can find for this? Now, clearly, this is a problem. You can immediately see the similarity with, let's say, the shortest subarray problem adding up to a given sum. But we'll analyze this in more detail and go about solving this in the subsequent videos. I hope you found this interesting. Do look at our website www.ybyte.in for more such content and enjoy programming. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.